Hi there everyone. I hope everybody is enjoying their school holidays. I miss you all so much, but I hope that everybody's staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to look at the last post. So it's a song for Anzac Day. Anzac Day is this weekend, so I thought it'd be something fun that we could do. It's not that difficult, so hopefully it will be fun. It does have some notes in there that we haven't seen before, depending on the student, but I'm going to go through that today, and hopefully we've got today, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, so we've got 4 days to give it a good go. I don't want anyone stressing about it. If you need to walk away and go have a drink, go do something fun and then come back to it, I'm completely happy with that. So let's take a closer look at the music and we'll break it down just like we do in lessons. We'll break it down, have your pencil ready, make the markings you need to mark so that when we do tackle it, it's nice and easy for you. Okay, so this is the first 3 lines of the last post. Let's break it down and have a look at it before we begin. First of all, we're going to notice that it has the treble clef and only the treble clef. It doesn't have the left hand. It's only written for the right hand, which means it's going to be relatively easy for everybody. Second thing I'm going to look at is the fact that it starts on middle C and jumps up to the G with that 5th finger. So that's going to be nice and familiar for everybody. The problem we have with this song is this section here and this section here. So these notes are written high on the staff, where we are used to the notes low on the staff. So what I've done for you is I've given you the notes written above in this one and in this section as well. So that means that you will be able to tell what notes each of these ones are. The only thing I haven't done is I haven't given you the notes on these sections here that have the high notes. So what I'd like you to do is work those out for yourself. Think about it. Have a look what looks the same. This one is written on the top of the staff. This one's written on the top of the staff. This one's a G, which means this one must be a G as well. So give it a go. Our goal is to get to here. So it's not the whole song, but there is a nice good spot to stop that will sound like the song. Okay, so we've come to the piano, and the first thing I'm going to do to help is I'm going to mark out my middle C. I'm going to choose the spooky sticker today. I think I'll choose the spooky spider. I'm going to mark out my middle C. There's my spooky spider. I know it's my middle C by the sound. And it's got my 2 black notes, and there's the gap. Girls and boys, we are using the high C, so we're going to jump to the next 2 black notes, which is here. And let's choose a sticker. I think I will do, let's do this creepy hand here. Okay, so I have my low C, my high C, and if I zoom you in, there we go. Okay, so here's my sheet music. If you print it off, you'll get all the way to the bottom here, but we're just looking at the first 3 lines today, so I folded it in half, just so you can see a little bit easily. We're going to do my C, G, C, G, C, G, G. Okay, so we've done our C and our Gs. We're now up to our high C. I want you to grab your pencil and put a 3 there, a 5 there, and we're going to continue. So, when you head to your piano, jump and put our third finger. So I'll show you again. So we were here and we jumped to that high C. We know it's our high C. We've found our 2 black notes. All together. Okay, now's a good time to pause the video and have a practice of those sections. Practice them a few times before moving on. It is also a good idea to find a recording off YouTube of the last post to give you a good idea of what it needs to sound like. Moving on, I have now put a 3 on this E. So it's not a C, because it's a bit higher than the E. And you'll know that because in the tutorial I gave you the notes. I've also indicated where I need to go up and when I need to jump back down. And I need to jump up here and down here. I need to jump up here and then down here. It's a good idea to mark these points on your music and it will sound like this. And again. Okay, it will need to jump back down to a 1 and we will finish here for today. It will sound like this.